Get into the 2026 Cadillac Escalade V ESV. Introducing the Cadillac Escalade V ESV, a majestic fusion of power, luxury, and innovation. This full-size SUV is powered by a high-performance V8 engine, delivering thrilling acceleration and exceptional towing capacity. Its bold, commanding exterior is matched by a spacious, opulent interior, offering cutting-edge technology and unparalleled comfort. Elevate your driving experience with the Cadillac Escalade V ESV, where performance meets elegance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, front massage seats, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, V8 engine, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, supercharged engine, all-wheel drive. Don't make compromises. Instead, make your driving life the best it can be. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.